Good evening. How are you, everybody out there? Um, it's 5 o'clock on Thursday, and it's day 28 of Lockdown Singsong. And I hope you're all having a nice time and the weather is nice wherever you are. Let me know who you are. I can see. Hello, Sally. I know who you are. You're not too far up the road. It's a beautiful day in Sligo. The skies are blue, although I think rain is promised tomorrow. So all the garden will have to be uh, dug by tomorrow. Who else is out there? Greensboro. Hello, Rob. How you doing? Stephen, Paul. Nice to see you. Today's song is a favourite. It's actually Ireland's favourite folk song because it was a competition ran on RTE, which is our um, television company in Ireland. And the competition was to see what was Ireland's favourite folk song. And there was many songs in there because we have a lot of great ones. And this was voted the favourite of all time. So it's a song that was originally a poem, and in 1946 was when it was first published. And the writer was a man from Monaghan by the name of Patrick Kavanagh, a beautiful poet. And it was, we don't know whether he may have intended it to be a song because in the verses crops up the line, the dawning of the day, which is another song, an air to a song in Ireland called the same name. Originally, it was an Irish Fáinne Galan Lay, so the dawn of the day. But it's then said that when Patrick Kavanagh met our finest folk singer ever, Luke Kelly, that it was Luke's idea to put this melody to it. Now the jury, I suppose, is still out as to which of them, but it doesn't matter. It was a great marriage of two men and a great marriage of song and melody. And Patrick Kavanagh used to live in Dublin on Raglin Road, and he used to see this girl, Hilda, passing every day on her way to college, and he fell in love with her. But there was a big age difference. He was 40 and she was 22. So I don't think for that reason they had a happy future. But she was immortalized in this song, and yeah, unrequited love, I suppose you could call it. So Raglan Road. I hope you're singing along out there wherever you are. Here we go. On Raglan Road, on an autumn day, I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I might one day rule. I saw the danger, yet I passed along the enchanted way, and I said, let grief be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we trip lightly along the ledge of a deep ravine where can be seen the worth of passion's pledge. The Queen of Hearts still making tarts, and I not making hay. And I love too much, and by such and such is happiness thrown away. While I gave her gifts of the mind, I gave her the secret sign that's known to the artist who had known the true gods of sound and stone. And word intent I did not stint, for I gave her poems to say, and there's no name there, and her own dark hair like clouds over fields of May. On a quiet street where old ghosts meet, I see her walking now, away from me so hurriedly. My reason must allow, for I've loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. When the angel woos the clay lose his wings at the dawn of day. Thank you very much for tuning in. Same again tomorrow. I just want to mention on this album, which I'm sure you all have at this point, that song is on the Dervish album, sung beautifully by Vince Gill, all the way from Nashville, Tennessee, and he does a superb job, and he sings it in C, which is the same key as that, which is pretty amazing for a guy. So we'll see you tomorrow at the same time, same place. Mind how you go. Keep that social distancing going on, and let's get this get ourselves back to normal as soon as possible. Stay safe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.